everyone. My name is Claire Sookman. I'm the principal of Virtual Team Builders, and we've been helping teams for 30 years transition from face-to-face work to virtual work. And it's a pleasure to be here. I hope everybody's staying healthy and staying connected and, of course, staying well. Today we're going to talk about what a virtual team is. Now that sounds like a very simple question to answer, but it's actually a little bit more complex. So let's get started. The formal definition of a virtual team is a team that is geographically spread out and who communicates via information technologies in order to accomplish a specific goal. Sounds simple, right? Well, there's a study that tells us that if you are 90 feet apart or more, you actually begin to act like a virtual team. So let me ask you a question. So just imagine you were working in an office building and you had to speak to somebody on a different floor than you on a routine matter. Would you use communication technologies in order to connect, or would you walk up or down a flight of stairs? Now, I suspect most of you would probably use communication technologies in order to connect. So let's now go back to the definition of a virtual team. The definition of a virtual team, if you remember, is that we use communication technologies in order to accomplish a specific goal. So what's the message here? The message here is that even before COVID-19, you were probably working to some extent in a virtual environment. So let's expand this. Let's make it even more interesting. Teams that were fully geographically spread out knew they were virtual. So they put processes and practices into place to help them work more effectively together. When we're 90 feet apart or more, we don't do that. Often we don't even do that when we're in the same city. So what are the messages here? The messages are twofold. One is that even before this, even before COVID-19, if you were on separate floors, if you were in the same city, if you were 90 feet apart or more, you were working virtually. The other message is that we need to put processes and practices into place to allow us to be effective, to allow us to be efficient. Now, I'd like to ask you, I have a few asks of you. We want to hear your comments, so please share your comments and your opinions with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ring the bell to get notifications of more content. And also, just to let you know, for the next 3 months, we are going to be giving a portion of our revenue to global giving. We care, we want to help. Stay well, be good to each other, and stay connected.